class, making it easy for us to study and to pass our driver license. Okay, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending on the time you're seeing this video. Now we're in page 21, chapter 21, which is Prevenzione e comportamento e causa di incidenti guida dei motocicli. Now, this is what they are saying now. Prevention and your behavior, comportment, in the case of accident, then and riding bike, motorcycle, which is power bike. Then you touch here, and I'm touching here. Now, the first thing we are seeing here is comportamenti per prevenire incidenti stradali. To comport yourself to avoid accident on the way. Comportamenti in causa di incidente stradale. Peculiarità della guida di motocicli. So now when you talk this number one, which is rischi derivati dalla presenza di vari tipi di veicoli. Risk. And when you see this symbol will tell you that accident just happened here not quite long. So what do? You rallentare, diminuire la velocità. You reduce your speed. Because accident only happened there. Now, let's get started. Risk. Il conducente di un'autovettura deve conoscere I rischi che sulla strada sono legati alla presenza di veicoli lenti. Now, you as a driver, you must know the risk. You must know the risk on the way as you are driving. You know, if you drive anyhow, you see anyhow. The vehicle that collide together, if vehicle get accident now, depends on the speed that they were running. If somebody go survive, it still depends on the speed. Alright? Come ciclomotori, macchine agricole. Soprattutto su strade extraurbane e quanto a causa della differenza tra la loro velocità e quella del nostro mezzo può risultare difficoltosa la valutazione dei tempi di avvicinamento, which I've said before. Now, look at it very well. If accident want to be severe, say so accident serious, depend on the speed you are running. And that is why it is in quiz you they will say obbligatorio ridurre la velocità nella notturna. That means in the night. Is vero. I failed that in the quiz before. You are obligated to reduce your speed in the night, driving in the night. I hope you know driving in the night is very difficult. Yeah, it's very difficult. That is why when you take your license first, you are being advised avoid night journey. Yeah, you don't need night journey. In fact, not even take you would not even know neopatentato. No, avoid night journey. Night journey is not good. It's not good. Now we go further. We have velocipedi. Velocipedi talking about biciclette. Biciclette is plural of bicycle. Bicicletta. Bicicletta is singular form. Biciclette is plural form. Mezzi dotati di mezzo modesta, leggeri e caratterizzati da bassa velocità è possibile oscillazioni traversali, spesso utilizzati da conducenti giovanissimi e inesperti o da anziani, per i quali può risultare difficile valutare la velocità di avvicinamento dei veicoli a motore presenti nel traffico e rendersi conto della situazione di pericolo. Now, when you see bicycle, machine, bicycle, ciclomotori, and anziani. Now, these people are inexperti. That means these people, they are not expert, they are giovanissimo. You see through them driving bicycle. So you should pay more attention because these people, they are not expert and they are young. Or you see old man driving bicycle. on the way. So you don't drive anyhow. You be careful, because those people, their livello is as a little children. All right, so don't get too close to them, so it becomes difficult for you, so that you don't go and wave them with your car. All right. Okay. Ciclomotori. All of you know what they call ciclomotori. And ciclomotori, patente you can use to drive it is, ciclomotori is patente IM and 16 years upward. If you are 16 years, you can apply for it. Ciclomotori spesso condotti da giovani con limitata esperienza di guida che potrebbero compiere manovre improvvise come pretendere a zigzag tra i loro. You see, some bike men or some children driving by machine, they will drive zigzag driving, as in vroom. They will turn left, turn right, be dodging vehicle. This is why you must be careful. Occorre particolare prudenza nel rispettare la distanza di sicurezza letterale, specialmente nella svolte per evitare di farli cadere. Now you must give distance di sicurezza, even you that is driving the machine and you that is driving the vehicle, you riding and the person driving, give distance di sicurezza. This zigzag driving is not good. Excuse me. It's not good, because for you to avoid falling and scraping your knee on the ground, you don't ride zigzag riding of machine. If not, you cause damage to yourself and pericolo to others in the highway. So we have what we call autocarri, autotreni, autoarticolati, autobus. Autobus, the one that you normally use to carry people. Autotreni is the one you see in Torino, that is very long, bus 11. Bus 11. Very long. That one is autotreni. While autocarri is the one used to carry load. Autoarticolati is the one that used to carry goods. Yeah. Ora dice toccare gus, che a causa della loro massa maggiore possono costituire un pericolo notevole per gli altri utenti della strada. It can cause pericolo to other vehicles, because these are big vehicles, specialmente se non rispettano i limiti di velocità in generale. If they do not respect, or you do not respect di distanza di sicurezza, infatti risultano maggiormente pericolosi gli incidenti tra i veicoli se questi hanno masse molto diverse tra loro. In fact, this is the major thing that is causing accident on the way. Sometimes you see very long camion carrying load. If it pass you, the breeze can pick you if you are riding bicycle. So you must give respect the standard sicurezza. Even them themselves are expected to respect it. So you don't see much question here at all. You don't see it at all. Cartelle da adottare nei confronti dei veicoli a due ruote. Caution that you must take when you are confronting machine or bicycle. Vehicle a due ruote. Vehicle that have two legs, two tires. Now, i conducenti degli autoveicoli devono in generale presentare particolare attenzione a veicoli a motore a due ruote. Now, I told you questions are not common here. Some of the questions you are seeing here is that first one I read. That in general, that vehicles are expected to pay more attention on machine, on motore a due ruote. Bike, bicycle, those things that have two tires. You have to pay more attention on them. These are the kind of questions you will see here. E quanto meno facilmente visibile, soprattutto a distanza, avendo una ridotta sagoma frontale. What is sagoma frontale? That's your front tire. So, particolare attenzione devono avere nell'attraversamento dell'incrocio in causa di intenso traffico. Con il colannamento, prima di aprire la portiere per scendere del proprio vehicle in sosta. Now, this is where you pay attention, you as a driver, especially when you have intensive traffic. When you want to open the door, or in sosta, when you park, you want to open the door and you are on the way, you must look whether bicycle they come or machine they come. If not, you will use your door to cause accident. These are where you pay attention. And if you want to come out, they will bring it out like this. But if you don't know it or you don't have an idea, you throw away the question. Italy occasioni dovrebbe sempre considerare la possibilità che sopraggiunga un veicolo a motore a due ruote che ha sorpassato i veicoli fermi in modo scorretto del lato destro durante il sorpasso di un veicolo a motore a due ruote, soprattutto se è elevata velocità. Si deve mantenere una buona distanza laterale di sicurezza. If you are moving on the speed, you must maintain the distance of your side. That side is what we call laterale. Laterale. The side. As you are driving, your right hand side, that space is remaining, that space is called laterale. Laterale. Take note of that. So I told you, the question you should be expecting here, it is quando vuole aprire la portiere, bisogna guardare, fare attenzione. These are the questions that you can find here. The next one, guida di fuori stradale. This one is very simple. All of you know what they call fuori stradale. Guida di un fuori stradale. You enter street when we say not be urbane, just commune road, street. Sometimes they will not even quota it. Now, conducente di fuori strada deve ricordare che la guida e tali veicoli all'interno del centro abitati, inside city, è particolarmente impegnativa a richiedere cautele. Cautele is caution. You are needed to require caution. Pay attention very well. Soprattutto nella manovre di emergenza. Manovre di emergenza. You can turn anything as emergency. You can become a small pikin just run enter road. What will happen? You turn, you hold brake. Frenate, you hold brake. Stazzate, turn steady. La terza e la marcia del proprio mezzo costituiscono un potenziale pericolo per pedoni, pericolo per pedoni, human beings, ciclisti, bicycle, autovetture, moto di modeste dimensioni. I parauti spengenti e rafforzati possono determinare gravi danni a causa di impatto con veicoli più piccoli. So that it become very, you have grave damage. You have big damage when you go hit small car. Yes, if car go hit bicycle now, who won't pass? Now the bicycle go injure. Bicycle can break down. Even the person you hit, even the person the car hit, might die. So that's why you must be careful when you are driving inside city. Fuori stradale. This is campo di visibilità. Campo di what? Campo di visibilità. Anche se si trova alla guida di un veicolo dettato per caratteristiche costruttive di un ultimo campo di visibilità, il conducente deve evitare di ridurlo applicando pellicole adesive su parabrezza. Now, despite say you dey see far, you must not use what we call pellicole adesive. Pellicole adesive is like sellotape that is having back gum and front gum and back gum. Adhesive is gum. You this is the tape. I don't know how I will explain it to you. So the tape, when you put it on the ground, the back is it will gum, while the front will also gum. It's back and front gum. So you don't put it in your car in the front where it can block your sight. E subentri laterale anteriore. Even the side, which is your door mirror, you don't put it. Visualizzare attentamente quando guida. L'area antistante è limitrofa, cioè davanti e nella immediate vicinanza. Now, this antistante, you can find this in a very high, those cameo carrying load. So there is a way they position their side mirror, that the side mirror can be seen front, because those driving that high cameo cannot see close to their front. They only see far because they are on top. They only see far, so they can't see. Even though a child just run and enter now immediately, they will not see it. So because of this, there is a mirror that picture close to their tire at the front. So you don't put anything there to cover anything. Essere consapevole che ipotesta o altri elementi della carrozzeria possono impedire accidentalmente l'avvistamento di altri utenti della strada. Here, when you don't, you need to put your project test now where you put when you drive. You need to do it well in order for you to avoid accident that can happen on the way to other vehicle. Because if you not put your head well, it's going to obstruct you for so many things. Most of all these things you don't need, like just small thing, you just need a small thing. Chi guida un veicolo di notevole dimensione come un fuoristrada e un autocarri deve essere presente che pedoni e soprattutto i bambini rischiano di rimanere fuori dai capi visivo. You that is driving car that is a little bit that have dimension, as in little bit big and high, you should know that there is a risk on children and on human being. This one was what I said, that you see them put mirror to see before they are tire in the front. Because if you are driving a very high car, you can't see close to you, you only see far. So that's why they put mirror there. So they say it's riskful for children because you cannot see it immediately. In particolare la limitata visuale offerta del parabrezza degli autocarri nella zona immediatamente attestate i veicoli rende pericolosa da partenza. Now, this kind of big vehicles is having danger when you want to move. Because when you want to move, you will not see the front that is very close to you. You only see far. And you don't know whether a charge is there or somebody is crossing. That's what they are saying now. Dopo la fermata, dettagli mezzo di colonna per essere, per esempio, un semaforo, qualora siano presente pedoni mezzo a due ruote che attraversano davanti. Now it becomes more dangerous to them when semaphore hold them and when they want to move. You don't know whether somebody is just crossing the front because they will not see it because of the dimension of the car. Notevole dimensione. Because of this condition, they might not see the person close crossing by. That's why they must be very careful. Our next point, let me see how many remaining. We're going to finish this by God's grace. So we'll soon enter where I will be telling you here is very important, here is very important. Here is cautele che devono adottare i conducenti e i veicoli a due ruote. Everything here, I have explained everything here before. Now, durante la circolazione su strada per rendersi maggiormente visibili, i ciclomotori e motocicli hanno l'obbligo di tenere accesi